Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson, and looks like we're starting off with coordinates. So state what point is located at each ordered pair. So when we're looking at coordinates, this is the x value and this is the y value. And x is horizontal. X is going this way, x. And y is going this way. So if we look at number 1, 5, 8. So since 5 is in the x spot, you go 5 to the right horizontally. So 5. And 8 is in the y spot. So you go 8 upwards. So right here is 8. And like this. And you get to this point right here. And that point was D. So you just state what point is located at each ordered pair. You just do that and find all the letters. Pretty easy. Let's do number 2. 8, 5. So you just go 8, then 5. So right here. That's I. Pretty simple, right? Then, for this next part, it's just the other way around. So Q, for number 11, let's find Q. Q is right here. So Q is in like that. So it's 5 to the right. Or I should do this. To get to Q from 0, 0, you go 5 to the right, then 2 up. So it'd be 5, 2. So the answer to 11 would be 5, 2. Alright, pretty simple. Then for these, it's just the same thing, just in a different format of a question. Plot the following points. So 20, it's U, 6, 3. Alright. Oops. So we go to 6, then 3, right there. So this point right here. And then we just label it U. Pretty easy. Alright, then multiplication. Find the product. Also pretty simple with problems like these. 1, 3. Actually, you know what? Number 1's a little bit too easy. Let's go with number 2. So 3, 0, 5, 9, 6 times 6. Even this is pretty easy. So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 9 is 54, so 57. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 5, so it's 35. Then 6 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Then 6 times 3 equals 18. So what you're left with is 183,576. Alright. Since we have time, I guess we could do a few more. Let's go with number 10. 92,018. This is just multiplied by 7. This is just long multiplication, so I think you should probably already know this, right? So it's just simple, easy review. So 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Then 7 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 7 times 2 is 14. Then 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64. So you're left with 644,126. Alright, let's look at a word problem now. Each child has 2 pencils and 16 pens. If there are 53 children in the class, how many pencils are there in total? So each child has 2 pencils and 16 pens. So what is it asking? How many pencils are there in total? So in this situation, 16 pens does not matter for this problem, since it's only asking for pencils. So we have 2 numbers here, 53 children, and each child has 2 pencils. So in order to solve this, we'll just multiply, since every single child has 2 pencils and there's 53 children. So 53 times 2 is just 106. We'll do one more. Anne has 1,092 bananas that must be put away in boxes. Dan comes to help and brings 5 cookies to share with Annie. If there are 14 boxes, how many bananas must go in each box? So this part, 5 cookies, has nothing to do with the question. It's just useless information to confuse you. So there's 1,092 bananas and there are 14 boxes. So 1,092 bananas must be grouped and divided into 14. So you just divide 14 by 1,092. And that would just be, let's see, 7. So 98, yeah. And then you're left with 112. Yep. And then 8. And then so that is 112. Yeah. Was a little bit confusing to do all that in my head, but yeah, so the answer is 78. So 78 bananas go into one box, and there's 14 boxes, and that equals 1,092. Alright. So I'll give you the answers real quick. It's right here. And have a great next week. Until next time, bye.